Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here once more to tell you about one more software, its functions, its usage, and its benefits, its facilities it is providing you and making your life easy. It is useful both for girls and boys, and especially more than for girls, because there are many of the working girls which have to contact with many of social workers, just like if you work at any office and you have to make contact with your office boys, your office co-workers, and so you can't avoid their numbers getting into your phone, them to get into your WhatsApp, and by that numbers you are much confused that many of the unknown numbers, wrong numbers calling you, messaging you, teasing you, wasting your time, and you want to get rid of all of that. And if there is any doubt in you about anyone that he is or she is teasing me, he is or especially she is doing all of this to me, and I want to have a proof that the number calling me is he or is she. So there are many of the apps, but I am using the one, and I am using it for a long time, and I have suggested it to many of the people physically, and I have seen many of the people using it because it really helps you to get the data of the number which is needed to be registered on when you are getting a SIM. So the data which is registered when the SIM was taken is shown up to you through the app you are seeing on the screen icon. You may see here the logo of the icon, and that logo you should choose that logo when you are getting it from Play Store. Now we'll see how it is being used, how to get into icon. It is much easy way, and you don't need to make any effort to get it. Whenever you have an internet connection with your phone, any of the number messaging you, any of the number calling you will come on your screen, will notify you by all the details of that number, if it is not saved or if it is saved, in both conditions. So if you have no any internet connection when the call is being there, then whenever you will on your data, whenever you will connect your data to internet, you will be notified. You will get that notification with the time, at this time, at this day, at this date, this number was calling you, and this is the detail of that number registered on that SIM. So just let's start. I have clicked on the icon and it is loading now. I am starting it from very before, because you easily get to know how to get into it, how to use it from start. Let's get started. And now you are seeing two options on the screen icon: phone current default. I have set it phone current default, that is why it is showing the option here. If you click the icon, get access to call log, send SMS. Now it means that you will get a notification through icon that there is some information for you here, and you will go into icon and just see which number was calling you and which number is teasing you by setting it default. When you will set it default, then you will directly get notification, you will directly get the information. You don't need to go into the icon and log in the number and search that number's detail. There's no need for that. You will automatically get each of the number, each of the message, each of the call you have received or you have sent, made that call. So I have set it default. There is an option set as default. Just set as default. Identify callers, just go it on. And now it is asking for another option, display over the other apps. Just see where is icon here. icon is here. Just allow it from here so that it may work in your device. Now continue, and now you have to add your number. I am adding my number here, so make the connection. Now you are seeing there, authentication approved. My name is here. Yes, this is me. I have logged in it, and all the information is made here. So you are seeing here that one by one all of my contacts are here, and you will also get, just see the notification, welcome back to Eyecon, as I have uninstalled it and get it back to show you how to use it from very beginning. Now just see here, we care about your feedback. Please answer. You should give them feedback because this is much useful. And just see here, all of my contacts are here. All of the numbers I have not added to my contact list are here. If you want to dismiss the default and you want to know the information by getting into the app, there is an option on the screen set as default and dismiss. Just dismiss. And if you dismissed here, then you need to search here, name or number. You have to get into the number or name here and just go to the search button, and it will give you. So let me do it for you to make it easy. I am searching a thing. I have searched by name, and here is the contact. Now let me search by number. I have dialed a code. Just see, I have dialed the number, and here is the contact by that number. And when I have clicked it, there come 4 options. You want to get WhatsApp data, you want to get phone calls data, you want to get its location, or you want to get its profile. Just see, the 4th option is of Facebook profile. So you may get any of the information by this, and it is very easy to use. As you see here, I have logged in it very much easily.